Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TT for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining the review. Today's wig I'll be reviewing is by Sensationnel. So go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? 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 I guess the only question that I have today for you is, do you feel the way that I do? It's been a long time now since we've been face to face, and I think it's kind of funny how we ended up in the same place. 'Cause I've been running around in circles looking for a taste of something different, something I don't want to waste. I guess the only question that I have today for you is, I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? I said, hey, do you feel the way that I do? 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 I guess the only question that I have today for you is, do you feel the way that I do?
So now you've watched me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the unit. The unit that I'll be reviewing today is by Ultra in their Butta lace collection in the style Glam Wave 24 inches. I have the unit in the color Balayage Chocolate. Features of the unit are human hair and premium fiber blend, virtually undetectable HD lace, blends with most skin tones, air-to-air lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tie parting area, pre-productive baby hairs along the hairline. The unit does come in a variety of other colors: balayage mocha, balayage caramel, balayage chocolate, T1B golden blonde, and the list goes on. And again, the color I have is balayage chocolate. So let me take off my hat. So this is what the unit looks like. Alright. Okay, what do I like about a unit? It is beginner friendly. A little too long for my taste, but it's okay. It's not excessively long where I have to be like, oh my gosh, there's so much hair. It's long, but it's not full where it's just annoyingly long and full at the same time and you're just hot. It's not that. So I appreciate, you know, that. What I don't like about a unit, it looks like a unit they did like a month ago. I don't know. I don't know if it's me. Maybe I'm mixing the companies up. I don't know, but I could have sworn they did something similar, and I thought I was getting these curls like you see, but I got this. So I'm a little bit disappointed because I wanted a little body at the top, just right here, not all the way down like right here and here, so just a little fuller and curls, baby. But I guess you can't always have what you want, and that's why I'm here to do a wig review for you, to let you guys know that you do not need all these releases. No ma'am, you don't. You could shop in your stash. This one right here, if you don't have a Butta lace, whatever other number they got that look like that, I'm gonna have to find it for you. I wouldn't get this. I wouldn't get it because it looked like all the other ones, and that's why I'm wearing a fedora, to jazz it up. I know I have something that looked like this from Sensationnel, but in these hard times, I guess what we do now is repurpose the units and give them different names. And it's not just Sensationnel doing that. I've noticed Advertise is doing that as well. So I'm here to let you guys know you could either buy the units, style them differently, or use what you already have. You don't need all the releases, period. Times are hard. Money should be invested anyway. Money should be invested somewhere else. And this one, I mean, it's a gorgeous unit, but if you have something similar, you do not need it. There's nothing special about it. There's nothing special about it. Okay. Now, had I got this, oh honey, this looked different. This, nope, no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am. You don't need it. So, I do love the unit, but it's not a need. It's not something where it's something different that we have not already seen from Sensationnel. Okay, my 2 cents. Get another one. Another one. Like DJ Khaled say, another one. No ma'am. So that's my 2 cents. Gorgeous unit, but it's not needed. There's nothing fancy about it that if you don't get it, you're like, oh my god, I missed this release. You'll be fine. Pretty sure you got one just like this in your stash. Okay, that's all I have for this unit. So, but besides me saying that it's not a need, is it a great unit nonetheless? Yes, it is. But it's not anything that we haven't already seen. Let me take so you can see. You tell, yeah. But with that being said, if you are interested in purchasing the unit, I will leave a link down in the description for your convenience. Don't forget to like this video, share the video, comment on the video. Oh, and I will leave a link to the makeup. Yeah, trying a new thing here, doing makeup and the wig reviews together. So I will leave a link to the makeup with timestamps. So in the event you don't want to see the entire wig review attached to the timestamp, you can just watch the makeup and click off. It's up to you. But do leave me a comment of, do you want makeup and wig reviews in the same video or on the channel, so I could judge what you guys, you know, are watching and what you guys are not watching. I don't want to waste your time, just like I don't want you guys to waste my time. So if you got to the end of the video, you're 11B, don't forget to like the video, share the video. I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.